Are you looking for the best 360-degree camera? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best 360-degree camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ricoh Theta S Digital Camera, Black. We think the Ricoh Theta S is the best all-around choice for a 360-degree camera. Its 2 lenses capture a true 360-degree sphere of view with good color fidelity, sharp image quality in still photos, and pleasing video quality, even though it's limited to 1080p resolution. The camera is comfortable in the hand and easy to use on its own, but it can also be controlled from a smartphone app. Editing and sharing clips and photos is an easy-to-understand process, something we couldn't say for some of its rivals. The Theta S was the camera we reached for first when going out to shoot footage. The Theta S uses two 12-megapixel sensors paired with ultra-wide 240-degree lenses, in order to create 360-degree footage along both horizontal and vertical axes. It grabs nearly all of that imagery, hiding only the camera itself, and splices the captures from each lens into one seamless 14-megapixel image or 1080p video. The result is technically still a flat image, but when viewed in the Theta S app, or in some outlets such as Facebook, YouTube, and Flickr, the effect can feel like you're standing where the photographer stood. Why look out over just one vista when you can see every view from the top of a mountain? Number 2. 4K VR-capable action video camera. To avoid the need for stitching multiple images together, the makers of the 360 Fly 4K went with a different approach. The camera has just one lens, capturing a 240-degree vertical view and a 360-degree horizontal view. Because it captures that view in 4K resolution, it offers sharper footage with greater detail than our top pick. The images are still treated as full 360-degree scenes, and because it uses just the one lens, there's no stitching where 2 images are joined together, but there's a blind spot under the camera, replaced by a black or reflected area. The practical effect, when viewing the footage, is feeling as if you're being prevented from looking down or up, depending on the camera's orientation. Number 3. Samsung Gear 360 Real 360 degrees high-resolution VR camera. The Samsung Gear 360 excels in all the areas we determined were important for 360-degree cameras. It has good image fidelity and shoots video at 4K. Its physical design is compact and feels good in hand, with its included mini tripod that doubles as a handle, with the best external controls of any of the cameras we tested. And working with the images after you've shot them in the Samsung Gear app is easy and straightforward. But it's fully compatible with only a limited range of Samsung phones, which prevents us from making it a top pick. Samsung recently announced a second-generation Gear 360 that the company says will be compatible with a wider range of devices. Like the Theta S, the Gear 360 captures a full 360-degree sphere around the camera using 2 lenses, and it does so at 4K resolution up to 3840 by 1920 pixels. Still photos are shot at 7776 by 3888 pixels when both images are combined. You can also choose to shoot using just one lens. Image quality is very good, although the lens distortion appears exaggerated when viewing it within the Gear 360 app. It looks fine when shared to Facebook or YouTube, however. Samsung has announced, but has yet to make available, the 2017 model of the Gear 360. The new version has a redesigned form factor, shoots 4K video, offers live streaming ability, and should work better with iOS devices. We're looking forward to testing it when we can.